Okay, I got some pretty dang cool news for you guys, and I wanted to cover this because it would directly impact my channel with the things that I cover, so I thought you guys might want to know. And if you didn't know, Europe is passing in legislation that Apple is required to allow side-loading applications and or third-party app stores on iPhone or iOS or iPad and iPadOS by 2024. Now, Apple has confirmed that they are working on this and it should be ready for iOS 17. And now, like I said, this is only pertaining to Europe. This is not the entire world. So only in Europe in iOS 17 will you be able to sideload applications, no problem. But I think this is, the first move. And I think this is really exciting because I would love to just be able to, install a third-party app on my iPhone without having to use Alt Store or, having a computer required. Maybe this would open up the doors of being able to use Alt Store with, no computer, or I'm not sure exactly what Apple's gonna do about this or how they're implementing it. But I think it's really interesting. So in Europe, it's required by 2024. We should see it roll out in iOS 17 in 2023. And for the rest of us, like me in America, I'm really hoping that the United States passes this legislation as well so that we can have the benefits of easily sideloading an application or using a third-party app store within iOS. I think that would be really freaking cool. And like I said, I'm covering this just because this would affect my content on my channel so much, because I do show how to sideload apps and how to use Alt Store and the workarounds and the hoops you got to jump through to get all this working. And I think it would just be really, really cool to just simply be able to sideload an application. Now, on the other side of things, I could see that this would or could make iOS a little less secure. So you could, accidentally download an app that might have malware or some sort of tracking system built into it to, sell off your info. There's a lot of bad things that could come of this. So I'm hoping that Apple figures out the best route. And also on another side of things, that this might open up some security gates within iOS for more jailbreak possibilities. This might be kind of a little hole in their security system of, being able to get read write on root. Who knows? This could mean a lot of things, but nonetheless, I think it's super exciting and hopefully you guys are as well. Like I said, sideloading will be available in Europe in iOS 17, which would be fall of next year. And hopefully America follows the legislation and passes it as well, and we get that benefit. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. I thought this was some very interesting news. This has been IDM, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Later.